Tiffin. For this you will need 115 grams of unsalted butter, 30 grams of castor superfine sugar, 2 tablespoons of golden syrup, 20 grams of cocoa powder, 225 grams of rich tea biscuits crushed, 50 grams of raisins, 50 grams of dried apricots chopped, 50 grams of glacé cherries chopped, 120 grams of dark chocolate and 120 grams of milk chocolate. In a saucepan, melt butter, sugar, the golden syrup, the cocoa powder in a saucepan. Remove from the heat. Add the crushed biscuits. The raisins. Apricots, and the glacé cherries. Press the mixture into a greased lined 8-inch square baking tin, 20 centimeters. Melt the chocolate in a heat-proof bowl over simmering water. Do not use a wooden spoon. Use something like a silicone spoon. That was the dark chocolate. Now for the milk chocolate. Pour the melted chocolate over the mixture. Place in the fridge and leave to set, then cut into squares. And now for the taste test. Oh, crumbly. It's very crumbly and very messy. It falls everywhere. It tastes a bit like a picnic chocolate bar. It's very crumbly and you need a napkin because it crumbles everywhere. I give it a 16 out of 20 on the scrumptious scale.
My pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of pain. I'm 1,000 miles away from home, just waiting for a train.